All right. 0900. Yes. The next to the last video. This is it. 5.4. Now we're going to apply what we did in 5.3. Is and of statements. And I have 3 gigantic word problems for you. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. It's all about how you read the key sentence. Let me show you what a key sentence is. So Renata now earns $9.50 per hour. This is 125% of what she earned last year. What did she earn per hour last year? The key sentence is the second one, where it says, this is 125% of what? So right there is your sentence. That's the 5.3 type sentence. Now you have to figure out what the variable is. It says this is. Now, what's this? Well, that's 950. So 950 is 125% of what? Okay, this is your sentence that you're doing, and that is my percent sign. Yes. So this is 950, applying what we did. Is means equals. This is a percentage, 125%. That's going to be 1.25 as a decimal. You always want to do that converting. Remember, do not hit the percent key. Do not touch that thing. And then of means times, so times n. And when we do this, we have to figure out, do we multiply or do we divide? And this is going to be division. So 1.25 dividing 1.25. That cancels. N would equal, and I have the answer here in front of me, $7.60. Now think about it. And a lot of people say, well, what? That's smaller than what it was. Yes, that's because she got a raise. She now earns $9.50 per hour. This $9.50 is 125% of what she was making last year, which was less. And this is what we found. Bam! Right there. Let's do another one. We're going to do 2 more. Here's the next one. This is near and dear to my heart. Every day this year, Sam ordered either cappuccino or coffee from the coffee bar downstairs. He had, that should actually read or espresso. My fault there. Presso. Okay. Sam ordered either cappuccino or espresso from the coffee bar downstairs. He had 85 espressos and 280 cappuccinos. Now remember, that's every day this year. The key sentence is right here at the end this time. What percent of the coffees were espressos? What percent of the coffees were espressos? And were is a form of is, and this is going to be our times thing. So we're going to find out n times coffees is or equals espressos. All right? That's the sentence that we have to do our translating on. So it's n times. Now, what's the coffees? The coffees are both added together, and when you do that, that's 365 because it's every day. 85 plus 280 is 365. Is espresso, so that's equals espressos, which is 85. And if we divide, this is another division. You always divide by the number that's next to the variable called the coefficient. That is going to be, and they ask you to round it, I think, to the 100th of a percent, and it comes out to be 23.29%. When you divide this top to bottom on a calculator, you're going to get 0.232 something, and it'll round to 0.29. Okay, I don't know the exact thing, but after you move that over, it's going to be 23.29%. Right. Last one. Again, if you didn't catch it, watch it again, and you will. During the 2010 baseball season, Jose Bautista was up to bat 397 times. Of these, 35 resulted in a home run. Now, here's our sentence right here. You got to spot that thing like a ninja. What percent of Bautista's at-bats resulted in a home run? We translate this to, watch, what percent of at-bats is home runs? This is, now feel free to do this, make it simpler for yourself. So N times at bats, he was up to at bat 397 times, equals his home runs, which was 35. So this is another one, just like the one we just did. We're going to divide by 397. And let's see, when you do that, you're going to get something around 0.0882. And this is going to be a percentage now. We got to move this back 2 places like this. So this is going to become 8.82%, rounded to the hundredths of a percent. That's the second decimal place on percents. And remember, he's up 397 times. He gets 35 home runs, which is good. He gets paid millions. And in other words, every time he's at bat, he hits a home run about 9% of the time, 8.82%. This is how you apply the is and of statements to 5-4. Have a fantastic